welcome to my channel. I'm Johanna. So the first thing people ask me when they see my makeup is how I do my wing liner. And it's very requested among the people that know me. So I'm going to be showing you all how I do that today. So let's get started. So I already did this eye off camera. I'm going to be using Maybelline line Stiletto in the color Blackest Black. I like to start right here and make short lines. And I start with a thin line and then I build it up to the thickness I like my line to be. So I start doing little lines and making my eyeliner thicker. Some people don't like to bring their eyeliner all the way to their inner corner. I do. So depending on your eye shape, you can bring it all the way in. Try it and see if it works well with your eye shape. Again, little lines, short lines. I bring it all the way into the inner corner and I build the thickness of my liner. I'll try to get the liner as close to the lash line as possible if you're wearing false lashes. I like to wear liquid eyeliner because it doesn't transfer to my eyelids when I look up. And this one dries really fast too. So I like my eyeliner thicker on the outer part. Make sure you're making the lines similar on each eye. You don't want to have one side thicker than the other. That's how you get to make your liner as perfect as you can. When you make little lines and you try to make it thicker little by little. You don't want to make a mistake that you're not going to be able to remove later on. So bring it all the way to the end of your eye. Okay, so now look at your line from this eye so you can make it similar to this one, but all you have to do is follow your bottom lash line and make a straight line going up. Okay, so now that you have your line, you want to bring another line to the line you previously did, connecting it right here. fill this in. Make your line thicker if you like it thicker. You want to grab a thin brush like this one, and this one is the Morphe E39, to clean up your eyeliner in case you want it sharper or in case you want your eyeliner to be more neater. And grab a concealer. I'm using this one from Tarte. Clean the bottom of your eyeliner. I like to blend it. So when you're doing your wing, try putting less pressure on the end so you can have a thinner line and sharper. This is how I do my wing. There you go. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!